Hi and welcome to AfrihostPlus Answers. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your AfrihostPlus subscription. Open your internet browser. Navigate to clientzone.afrihost.com. Log in with your ClientZone username and password. Select the Other Services tab. Select AfrihostPlus. Select the AfrihostPlus subscription you want to cancel. Click on Cancel AfrihostPlus. If you wish to keep your Simfy Africa subscription, you can tick the box and you will be eligible to pay a monthly subscription fee. If you wish to cancel everything, do not tick the box and click on Deactivate AfrihostPlus. A confirmation box will appear. Click OK. You have successfully cancelled your AfrihostPlus subscription. If you wish to reactivate your AfrihostPlus subscription at a later stage, you can come back to ClientZone and select Reactivate.
Hi, John, CEO of Afrihost here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. And if you want more how-tos and tutorials like this one, please visit answers.afrihost.com.